Hate how much you pay in property taxes, especially in this economy? Well, you can fight back. Certified mortgage planner Amy Bonis joins us today to explain how. Good morning, Amy.
Good morning.
First, let's talk about how property taxes are calculated.
Property taxes are calculated by whatever your tax rate is times your assessed value.
And how frequently do these property taxes get revised?
In North Carolina, they get revised every 8 years. The last time they were assessed was in 2008.
So was that before the economic downturn?
Yes.
So perhaps your property values today are not nearly as high as they were when the property was assessed or valued. What do you do to appeal this and perhaps get a lower tax bill?
The first thing that you should do is definitely review your property tax record. Go online and make sure that the square footage is right, the number of bedrooms and the bathrooms, because the appraiser goes and measures typically the outside of your house but not the inside. And if you have 4 bedrooms but it says 5 bedrooms, it just keeps carrying through year after year. So take a look at that. The appeal process has to be filed usually by the 1st of April every year.
So if you have a house that whose value has declined, does it take a long time to find out if your appeal is successful?
No, you have to go in front of a board, so you would typically know pretty quickly. But there's also an appeals process if you want to appeal, but they seem to be pretty reasonable.
Does it take a lot of time and paperwork?
I don't think it takes a lot of time and paperwork, but you can't just get your property value decreased because your value has gone down since 2008. You have to get an appraisal by an independent appraiser, and they need to go back to late 2007 and assess the value as it was assessed back then.
And how much does that cost to do that?
Not much, about $400 to get an independent appraisal done.
And so when will houses be reassessed again?
In 2016.
2016, so we've got a little wait for that.
A little ways, yeah.
So what arguments for lower property taxes are most effective?
It's interesting if you go online, Bill, and you look at your tax bill, look at the quality of construction, the construction grade on your tax bill, and see how it compares to your neighbors on the same street. And also check out the land value of your lot versus your neighbor's lots. Like if your lot is assessed at $40,000 an acre and theirs is at 30, you might have an argument based upon how they view the usability of everybody's lots. And of course, the biggest thing is the error in square footage. That can be easily done. If you have like a large foyer or something like that, it's not uncommon for there to be errors in your property tax square footage.
All right, certified mortgage planner Amy Bonis, thank you so much in talking about lowering your property tax bite.
Thanks, Bill.
Thank you.